Hi, my name's Talia, and today we're going to be checking out what Intel's Skills for Innovations are all about. Life in the classroom has changed rapidly over the years, with advancements in technology skyrocketing every year, alongside the importance that this tech will have on the next generation's future. Intel's SFI starter packs are a new way to empower educators and accelerate student learning by introducing these concepts with real-world applications using a more hands-on learning approach. Always helpful when battling with short attention spans. Developed in cooperation with Acer, these free-to-use Intel SFI starter packs are a set of practical activities for students from the age of 10 all the way up to 19, having them get hands-on with genuinely useful and actually pretty fun skills. I wish I had this 20 years ago. They can learn in the classroom or remote, or through their own laptops, tackling problems with real-world applications that test their creative and analytical cognitive thinking through design work, coding, and visualizations. And as the teachers, you don't even need to be a tech whiz yourself. There are lesson plans to help you get up and running. Designed for Intel Core processors, there are 3 packs included featuring Acer technologies that touch on a variety of subjects such as science, maths, and physics. Screen Sense, where they'll simultaneously learn about the hazards of prolonged screen time while also learning to code. Durability by Design, where they'll design a laptop capable of surviving a busy classroom and simulate tests on its ruggedness. And in our third module, they'll get to make maths fun with Optimize, Design, and Minimize, where they'll, well, I'm sure you can guess, do all of the above by designing sustainable packaging for Acer laptops, optimizing the manufacturing process, and minimizing the waste created. Don't worry, we're not going to be stealing any ideas. Intel SFI has a range of 70 modules, but you can download these 3 for free from the Intel Skills for Innovation page using the registration code Acer SFI.